Every morning in Willowbrook Forest, Yara the yellowbird sang the most beautiful phonics wake-up song. Ah says ah, B says ba, C says ka, she would chirp clearly, and all the baby animals would bounce with excitement. But one terrible Tuesday morning, something went horribly wrong. Yara opened her beak to sing, but instead of A says ah, out came I says yawn. She tried again. B says byan, C says kyan. The baby rabbits looked confused. The little foxes started copying her stretched-out sounds. Poor Yara couldn't stop yawning. Every letter sound became a sleepy mess. She visited Ollie Owl for quick staccato exercises. Ba-ba-ba, coo-coo-coo. Then Benny Bear taught her breathing patterns with letter combinations. Finally, on Friday morning, Yara had a brilliant idea. She gathered all the forest animals for an interactive phonics session. Together they jumped, clapped, and shouted each letter sound. The energy was so contagious that Yara's yawns completely disappeared. The most energetic alphabet song ever echoed through the forest.